Churachandpur district ke manung channa laiba lamjang village dagi Meeoi ani police na Khutlaiga Konna na Phagatkhre haidi police na faraba Meeoi ani adudi Jangneo Haukep chahi kuntra humdoi amadi Lilin Haukep chahi nifuni thoi kawi haidi makhoi ani dagi magazine yawa 9mm carbine machine gun ama magazine yawa pistol ama kapayariba maru chamaga kulhumdoi 4 wheelers gari amaga loinana mobile handset ani Phagat pangamkhre haidi
IPS, the Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal, near Manipur University First Gate. Admission opens from pre-nursery to class 9, both school and boarding.
Facilities features are morning and evening tuitions for all subjects, daycare schedule from morning to evening, strict supervision and CCTV surveillance, audio-visual and smart classes, co-curricular and extracurricular activities, Thangta, Mukna and Manipuri Jagoi, guest teachers and counseling sessions, compulsory of sports, arts and culture, online and e-learning classes during the long vacation, general strike and pandemic, facilities of shooting sports, football, gym, fitness, yoga and aerobic, personality development classes. IPS, a government recognized and affiliated school to BOSIM and COSIM, a national and international awarded school, top choice for your child's career.